Hey guys, this is Digital Clicks, and I remain Augustus Philip. A student was asking me how to run free promotion on his book, and it's exactly what I want to show in this video. Okay, so after getting into your account on your bookshelf, the particular book you want to use to run the free promotion, it has to be enrolled in KDP Select. Okay, so I'll scroll down to the book I want, the Kindle version of it. Okay, so this last one here now. Okay, so you tap on the three buttons here. Let me zoom it. You see, first one is edit book details. Down you see enroll in KDP Select. So first I'll enroll. Sorry, that's not what I tapped on. Okay, I mistakenly tapped on the following one: advertise and promote and advertise. It will still take you here. Okay, and the other one was, the first one I was supposed to tap on is enroll in KDP Select. Any of the two can take you to where we are going to. So here now, I will now tap on enroll in KDP Select. Okay, so I will now tap on enroll. Okay, you can see now that the book has been successfully enrolled. Okay. If you want to remove it in KDP Select, you tap on manage KDP Select enrollment. You can end it. Okay. So you see here, run a price promotion. You come down, you see here free book promotion. That's our interest for now. So you tap on it and you now tap on create a new book promotion. Okay, so here now you need to select your start date and your end date. Normally it's 5 days. Okay, so I'll tap on today. I'll tap on today. End date, I want to just do 2 days free promotion. All right. I'll now tap on save changes. And that has been saved. Okay, so that's all. Okay, thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.